In this Paperz AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software that's been making waves. If you're curious about whether Paperz AI lives up to the hype, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it can and can't do, and how you can use it to make your work more efficient. I'll also show you how you can try Paperz AI completely free from the link in the description below. First off, Paperz AI has taken a unique approach to automating content creation. Unlike other tools that focus on just writing or researching, Paperz integrates both to deliver fully optimized content faster than traditional methods. It uses cutting-edge natural language processing algorithms, meaning the text it generates is incredibly human-like. Whether you're writing blog posts, email sequences, or even social media captions, Paperz does it all, and it adapts to your style quickly. One thing you'll notice immediately is the speed. Paperz AI allows you to create high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. The platform uses advanced AI models to generate suggestions and content pieces that are relevant, engaging, and SEO optimized, saving you a huge amount of time and effort. Another standout feature is its content customization options. Paperz AI doesn't just throw out generic text. It lets you specify tone, audience, and even keyword preferences, giving you more control over your content than most other AI tools. Plus, if you need help coming up with fresh ideas, Paperz provides creative inspiration, making it an excellent tool for anyone working in digital marketing or content creation. But what about accuracy? Many AI tools struggle with keeping the content factually correct or on point. Paperz AI stands out here as well. While no AI tool is perfect, Paperz does a solid job of understanding context and producing content that aligns with your specific needs. Whether you're crafting an article about a trending topic or writing for a niche audience, Paperz delivers solid results. Another key thing you'll want to know is that Paperz has a built-in collaboration feature. It's designed for teams, so if you're working on a project with others, you can easily share your content and edit it in real time. This makes it an excellent choice for agencies, freelancers, or businesses looking to streamline their content creation process. Now let's talk about integration. Paperz plays well with other popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and even social media platforms. You can export your content directly to these platforms, which makes publishing and managing your content a breeze. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. While Paperz is a premium tool, they offer a free trial, and the value you get for the price is definitely worth considering. You can test out the software from the first link in the description below, which is a great way to determine if it's right for you before committing to a subscription. So, should you try Paperz AI? If you're in the digital marketing space, or just looking to improve your content production process, absolutely. It's versatile, fast, and reliable. And with its free trial, there's really no reason not to check it out for yourself. In fact, if you're looking for the best AI software to supercharge your content creation, I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down the ones that actually deliver real value. Go ahead and click the first link to start your Paperz AI free trial and see how it can help you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other recommendations if you want to explore more tools to improve your digital marketing.